You see this image?
Sorry, which image?
1 minute, 1 minute. If you see this image,
Mm-hmm.
so this ELB, this ELB. Today's
Mm-hmm.
practical, we'll do the small project.
Okay.
We'll create a 3 web servers and 3 availability zones.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Why we create 3 web servers and 3 availability zone? To
So
provide high
some,
availability. High
yeah,
availability. To
if
provide
one
high
goes down,
availability.
there's two available.
Yes. All these servers is known as the target group. What is known as
Mm-hmm.
the?
Target group.
What is the target group? Target group is nothing but a backend servers. Is nothing but a group of backend servers, which is connected to load balancer. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever user hits the website like www.facebook.com through internet, the request will go to the load balancer. Go to the
Load balancer.
and load balancer distribute the traffic between this target group of the server in between this one. Okay, any
Okay.
one of the server. Okay,
Okay.
and here how will you do this? Okay, how will you do this to perform this one? We'll create 3 web servers and 3 availability zones. Right? Three.
Three options.
We will create a 3 web servers and 3 availability zone. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
At least 2 web servers we needed. Okay, at least 2 web servers we needed and 2 availability zone. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
because if you don't have a 2 web server, then it is not possible to create a load balancer. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
after creating 3 web servers and 3 availability zone, we'll add to this target group. All these servers are added to the target group.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, after adding the all web servers to the target group, then we're going to create a load balancer. We're going to create a load balancer.
Load balancer.
All these servers are connected to a single point that is nothing but a load balancer.
Mm.
Okay,
Yes.
so here when the load balancer is created, when the user hits first time, it will send the traffic to the first server. Again, when the user hits second time, means like I just refresh, it will go to the second server, and third time it will go to third server. Like
Mm-hmm.
that, distribute the traffic between the multiple servers.
Okay.
Load balancer. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
for this one, I just go. Do you remember the script previously? I had explained a cloud init script during. I just created a web server using the script
Yes.
in the initial classes.
Yes.
The
Yes.
same thing we do because
Okay.
of if you log into the web server again, we need to run the so many commands. It takes a lot of time. The
Mm-hmm.
1 hour is not enough to do the lab. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay. So before creating the load balancer, I create a one security group for a common all. Okay. How you
Okay.
create a what is my security group? What is my security group? What does my security group?
Security group was uh shooter. I'm sorry, I forgot. Security group.
Security group is like a firewall.
Ah, firewall. Okay.
Like a firewall. Like suppose like a security guard, he
Mm-hmm.
will stand in front of office. Like whenever someone is going inside, and he will check the like ID card or like something like he's maybe legitimate or not. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
same thing here. It will allow the legitimate traffic. Which one? Security group. Okay.
Okay.
If in the security group, so if the traffic is denied, then if user request, then there won't be accept that. It is like same security guard. Which one? Security group. Okay. Here
Mm-hmm.
I first create a security group. Okay. I create a security group and just give the name as a. You can give any name. I just give the name as a Mohisin SCG. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And this is for the ELB project. ELB project. Okay. Then inbound roles. What are the
Mm-hmm.
inbound roles we need to add? Because of in security group, first in rule is the what is the first rule? I add the first rule
Mm-hmm.
is which one? SSH. Which one?
Yeah.
SSH.
SSH.
Then add anywhere. Okay, what does
Mm-hmm.
mean? Three options are there. What is mean anywhere and what is mean my IP and custom IP? Anywhere means we can access anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Means any IP address can be accessible.
Right.
Suppose if you select my IP means from my ISP, because of from this broadband I have broadband I connected to internet. I can able to connect only my from my IP only. If you go outside, I won't able to connect. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then I selected anywhere. Then select the, because I'm using here, I want to create a web server. Then I choose which port number? HTTP. Okay.
Okay.
Then I go to the add role
HTTP.
here again. Go to the HTTPS.
So, uh, SSH is to allow people to go into the machine, right? And then
Yes, exactly.
ACTP and HTTPS is to
Yes,
connect from the internet.
yes, from outside. From outside. Okay.
Yes, from outside.
Whereas SSH to connect to the machine. Okay.
Yes.
If it is Windows is there, then it is RDP.
Okay.
Now created a security group. Created a security group. Inside the security group, I added three rules. One is the
Mm-hmm.
SSH, second one is HTTP, and third one is HTTPS. Again, I go to the instance. First, I need to create a three instances and three availability zones. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I just go to the launch instance. Here, first thing I will give the name as a server one.
Oh, so you're presetting these security groups before you create the
Yes, yes,
EC2. Okay.
no problem. We can create pre-setting, or we can after that also we can create. No
Mm-hmm.
problem. That is, I want to create a pre-setting because of I want to apply the same security group for all instances.
Okay.
Okay. So all instances are will take the same security group. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, server one. I just taken the Imagine Linux and T2 micro key pair. I will take the old key pair. 20,000 key pairs. You can in a free tier account we can create 20,000 key pairs.
Mm-hmm.
Here in the security group, I select which one? Select existing security group. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What is the name I
Yeah.
had given?
Uh,
Mosin.
yeah.
Mosin.
Right. Right. Sorry.
Okay. Which security group? Mosin. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
And in the advanced tab, I will add the script to create a web server. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do you done that? This remember this one? I forgot how to
No,
create
no,
using the script.
I
This one.
remember.
This.
Yeah.
Okay. This time I'll just chaining the script. Previously I had used this small script, but this is the script. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll just take this script here. This time I'm
So
taking another
the
script. Okay. I just add H1
oh,
tag
okay.
only. The same script, I just add H1 tag, some paragraph tab or some like head, something like that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because of I want to show like real time. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Previously that was a very simple one.
Mm-hmm.
This time I'm just adding this script. If you see this script, what is the output? This is output. Welcome to world of DevOps Server 1. Okay, I'm just giving the output here. Welcome to output DevOps Server 1. Okay, and we are running the app server deployed automatically using EC2 using user data. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
so and another thing is there. I'm just taking the availability zone also here. I just go to the here. I'll select the availability zone. Okay, I just scroll down
Okay.
here where you can select the availability zone. I told you that when you're creating EBS, how to pick the availability zone and selected availability zone one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now what? Launch instance. Launch the
Instantly.
instance. Like that, how many instances we need to create? Three instances.
Mm-hmm.
Three EC2
You
and
can
three
clone these,
availability
right?
zone. Huh?
You can clone these, right?
Hmm. Three availability zone. You can't clone. Okay, because of same
Ah.
availability zone, we need to change the availability zone. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is the server one. Okay, at the same time go to the launch instance again. Then I create which one? Second instance. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
server 2. I'll just give the script to you. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Select the existing security group, which I created. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I'll select the same security group for all instances. Okay,
No.
once you have selected a security group, you don't need to select like HTTPS, everything is there. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Now is there. Huh? And go to the edit here. I'll take on the second availability job. Okay, is 1B. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
again I add the script. Again I add the script in the advanced tab. In the advanced tab
Advanced
here
type.
in the under the user data. Here this output I'll just change here to server 2.
Mm-hmm.
In real time it is the same application.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Understand? But
Yes.
if you here if you take the same application, we won't able to differentiate how the load balancer is working. For that one, I just change the script as a server 1, server 2, server 3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In real time, it will be the same application. Same application will run on the same application run on the multiple servers, multiple availability zone.
Yes.
Here now, again second instance also created. Done. Now again
Mm-hmm.
go to the which one instance? Launch instance. Okay, another one we're going to create. In the advanced details, go to the under the user data, just again add the script.
Mm-hmm. This
This
will be
output
third
is
one,
yes 3. Hmm?
right? Mm-hmm.
No launch status. Now go to the instances. Let me check one by one the output of the servers. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How will you check the output of the server? Just copy the public IP address or
Yeah.
DNS. This one also. This one. Either you can access through public DNS or I can through the public IP address.
Yes.
I just go here and paste. What is the output here?
Welcome to the world of DevOps server. We are
Okay.
running app.
Again go to okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We are running the app server deployed automatically using a EC2 user data. Okay. And we'll go to the second instance. We'll check the output. We'll check the output. So what is the output here?
Welcome to server 2.
Okay. Now what is the output here?
Put
Three
here.
outputs.
Yes, 3. Sorry.
Three servers are running. Three web
Yes.
servers. One, two, three. Okay.
Mhm.
Then what is the next thing is there? We need to create which one? Target group.
So,
We need to create a
target group.
just scroll down here, scroll down. There is one option is there load balancer. You can check here
Mhm.
load balancer. Okay. Under the load
Okay.
balancer, we have an option is there target
Target
group.
group.
We have a
Mhm.
target group. Another thing is load balancer is free, but the load balancer, how the charges will be taken care. So number of hits, if the user number of hits taken, how the charge will be there. If the users are more users are accessing the load balancer link, they will charge according to their uh, how many clicks they click. Okay, generally load balancer is a free one,
Mhm.
but how they charge is there like some they'll have some charge like some limited when free tier or something like that they will give some limited number of clicks. It will charge based on the number of clicks. The load balancer charges name based on the clicks, how many clicks are there. Okay, here
Mhm.
I just go to the target group. It is already there, the previous class. It is also brilliant. Okay, just read this one. Okay, okay, I'll just go to create a target group here.
Mhm.
Target group is nothing but a collection of the backend web server. Okay, there are
Okay.
multiple things are there. You can check here. There are three things are there. One is the instance. Second thing is the IP address. Suppose you are having on-premise data center. On-premise data center, you have a physical server. Physical web servers are running. That can
Mhm.
also can attach to the this load balancer. Okay, understand?
Yeah.
So, but now I just selected a, only the instances because of our servers are there inside in the AWS. Okay, this is a Lambda function. I explain you later, and this is application load balancer. I just selected instance here. What is the target group name? What is the target group name? So, what is the target group name? I just give the target group name as a also this one also as a Mosin
Mhm.
TG. Okay, TG. Okay, understand?
That's.
And previously, in previous class, I just explained you how many types of load balancer. Four types of load balancer. One is the classic load balancer. Second one is the application load balancer. And third one is the network load balancer. Fourth one is the gateway load balancer.
Mhm.
Classic load balancer is outdated and old one. Whereas gateway load balancer is to distribute the traffic between the third party appliances like a firewalls. Whereas application load balancer works on the layer 7. It is also not the host based load balancer or path based load balancer. Whereas network load balancer based on the IP address works on the which one based on the IP
Okay.
address. I told you that application load balancer, whenever you run application load balancer, it will check the HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, HTTP and HTTPS. Whereas when you select the network load balancer, it check the topic of the TCP and UDP. Do you remember yesterday?
Not particularly.
No, no, I just explained you. So I just explained whole class. I'd explain you NLB and ALB. Okay, you can check the video. Okay,
Yeah, I'll recheck with you.
okay. Here there is multiple things are there. When you want to select, when you want to create application load balancer, we need to select which one. You can see here
Mhm.
which one
HTTP, right?
for
Use
which one. Yes, for HTTP and
application
HTTPS
loading.
which one application. When you want to create a network load balancer
TCP.
and UDP. Understood?
Mhm.
This time I want to create application. The only thing is there, everything lab is the same for the application load balancer, notebook load balancer. The only
Mm-hmm.
thing when you create application load balancer is there, you need to select HTTP when you creating application load balancer. When you creating network load balancer, we need to select the port TCP and UDP. This time I want
Mm-hmm.
to create application load balancer. I just selected which port HTTP. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Whether I want to create a network load balancer, we need to select a TCP here. User with the network load balancer. He had clearly given in the portal. You can check here. Okay.
Okay.
So now how many types of IP address? Of course, it is a V4. We don't need V6. And this protocol version will be HTTP. And health check path. If you have any path, like I want a specific path, I can give the path here. I don't want
Mm-hmm.
to give the path here. And just click on the port number 80. Okay, this one they had added. No need this one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here, the port on which the target communication, its capacity, they have no need this one. Just click on next here.
Mm-hmm.
And we need to include the all
Three.
targets. Yes, we need to all. These are the targets. Select the all targets. And we need to attach, click on this include pending below. When you click on this include pending below, it will add the service to the target group.
Mm-hmm.
Add the service to the target group. Now click on next here and create a target group. Click on the create a target group. Now created a target group. Okay. Okay. So when you create a target group, remember that I selected a port number 80 and a 443. What does mean that I can able to create only application load balancer. During the target group, I selected a port TCP and UDP. Then I create application load balancer will get error. Okay. You understand?
Yes.
So during the target group, I selected a application load balancer option. Then I can able to create application load balancer only. If you select in target group, select port number 18440, then we create a network load balancer will get error. Okay, it won't
Mm-hmm.
work. Okay.
Okay.
Here, this is a target group. How many targets are there? Three targets are there.
Three
Okay,
targets.
three targets are there.
Mm-hmm.
Then go to the load balancer here. Click on the create load balancer. How many types of load balancer are there? Four.
Four
How
types.
many types? One is the
Four.
classic, application, network, and gateway load balancer. So
Mm-hmm.
here, application load balancer will works on which one? As application level. The application works on which protocol? HTTP and HTTPS,
Mm-hmm.
isn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
Whereas
Yeah.
NLB works on the which
TCP,
one?
UDP, and TLS.
UDP. Here, choose an application load balancer when you need to flexible features set to an application with HTTP and HTTP traffic. Operating at the request level, application load balancer provide advanced routing and feasibility. I selected which one? Application load balancer.
Application of
Now it is loading. Now giving the name, you can give any name. I just give the name also. This one also as a Mohisin ALB. That is application load balancer. Okay.
Yes.
It is internal or internet facing. What does internet facing is nothing but public facing. Through internet we can access. With
Yeah. It's
internal
internet
inside the data center. Inside the data
data
center.
center. So it's internet
So
facing,
now
right?
I just selected internet facing, and we don't know still we not this one this we don't know this VPC present. We select the default VPC, and the tomorrow's class we're going
Mm-hmm.
to know about VPC. Okay, tomorrow we'll start the VPC. From this one, from this time, I'll just keep it as leave as a IVPC. Okay, I don't want to change this pin. I want to create a load balance inside the default VPC. Okay, and how the redundancy will take care, we need to select all availability zone. How the redundancy will take care, we need to distribute the traffic between the multiple availability zone. So
Yes.
actually my web servers are there in the 1A, 1B, 1C only, but this time I'm selecting all. Okay, where my
Mm-hmm.
web servers are there, this
One A,
load
B, and
balancer
C.
need to be 1A, 1B, 1C is there. I selected here all, selected here all. Okay,
Mhm. But
then
what
what is the
happens?
security group here? Yes.
What happens if you select all of them? It just automatically uses all five, even though.
No, no, it won't distribute. We need to select. We need
No,
to
I
tell
mean,
the load balancer where it is.
okay, so you selected one A, B, and C, and then you selected D, E, F also.
No, it would no, nothing will happen.
Oh,
If
so
one A, one B, C, one A, one B, C is there, is all.
mhm.
If you don't select anything, the load balancer won't work.
No, no, I mean, what about one D, E, and F? Do they do anything
No
or?
problem that you don't select or select. That is ignore that.
Okay, okay.
If you don't, okay. If you just leave that, no problem. Okay. I just
Hmm.
if you don't select, also no problem, brother.
Hmm. So it's
I'm just
not going to do
selecting
anything
only.
because your servers are
Nothing,
in.
nothing, nothing to do because no servers are there. Okay.
Hmm. Yes,
We
okay,
don't select, no problem. Okay.
okay, okay.
It won't happen. Okay. What is the security group we selected here?
That's SG something like SCG security.
Another thing is that target group can be multiple also. Doesn't mean that only one target group. There will be multiple target group also.
Mm-hmm.
Understand?
Yes.
There will be multiple target group also.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So there is no rule that only one single target group. Okay. In real time, there are multiple target groups also. I selected a security group. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The listener is there whenever the traffic is come from the user, which will hit the which port number 80.
80.
Okay. And the traffic is to forward the target group here this
Mm-hmm.
time. Suppose you having a, I want to redirect URL. I want to redirect URL here. Select here, redirect URL. Then I just select give the number like port number with the custom port number. Generally, when the website is works on the port number 80, I want to redirect URL to the particular custom port number. Like I want to run with like 800,
Mm-hmm.
8000. Then I use this one redirect URL. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we don't have this URL. Now I selected which one? Forward to target group.
Very good.
What is the target group name? Mosi.
Mostly.
Okay, okay. Now there are multiple options are there. Amazon CloudFront and a web application firewall. This CloudFront will provide the like when you run this application in the single region, this what happens here will in CloudFront it will redistribute the traffic between the all regions. Okay, which one CloudFront and web application firewall will provide the low latency and high availability and security. Which one? Web application firewall.
Okay.
Okay. In real time, we need to select this CloudFront web application firewall to because of it will provide the like it will like as a provide a security high level security for web application, and all this thing if we select right now it will get a heavy charge. Here as you can see here additional charges are there. Okay,
Okay.
they'll provide the protection, brother. Nothing that they'll provide the protection.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and it will distribute the traffic between the multiple regions. Which one CloudFront? Okay.
Okay.
I don't want to do this all this thing. Okay. This
Yeah.
global accelerator will also do the multiple regions. It will split this all multiple regions. I don't want to select all this thing. Basically, they will provide the low latency and high security.
Mm-hmm.
Understand? In
You're
real
looking
time, they
here.
will select. Okay. But if you
Okay.
select all this thing, it will get heavy bill. Okay.
Okay.
Then I just leave it here. Click on which one? Create a load
Create load
balancer.
balancer.
So it takes 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. It
Mm-hmm.
creates a takes how many time? How much time? Five
Five
to
to
ten
ten
minutes.
minutes.
Then after that, once it is created, then we'll go to the load balancer. We'll check the output of the load balancer. Then it will get when first time you hit, we'll get the output server one. Then we'll second time we'll hit, we'll go to server two. Third
Mm.
time we'll go to server three. Okay,
Okay.
we'll wait. Okay,
Okay. Just one question. Just confirming. You said first when we send the like request, it goes to server one, and if server one is not there, it goes to server two and then three.
yes. Check the health checks also.
Mm-hmm. Are we going to
If
do?
the
Sorry, go ahead.
if the server one having a issue there, it won't send the request to server one. It will go to server two.
Okay. And are we going to do
How it
cloud?
is works? Yes,
Like,
please, please.
I was going to ask if we're going to do CloudFront later on.
That I will do that. No, no. Why you worry that?
No,
Okay.
no, just asking. I just read about
No,
Cloud
no,
Front.
no, not to worry that. Don't need to ask me. Okay. You don't need to ask me, brother. I know that. But CloudFront and CloudWatch, everything will explain. No problem for you. Okay. Okay. When the time comes there, I'll just explain you. Okay. No problem.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This CloudFront, Route 53, CloudWatch,
Mm-hmm.
and what is that? Another this multiple things are there. Okay. Then I'll just explain. No problem for you.
Okay.
Okay, okay. In this syllabus, what they had given me, this they don't have that much of like there's exposed for the AWS, uh, but I'm just taking so many services of AWS. In the Brilliant, they had given a syllabus to you.
And they haven't.
They haven't you. Okay, I'll just send to you said syllabus to you. No problem. Okay, the both. Okay. I think other
Yes.
person is David. I think I don't know that what is his name. He's not attending the class. He has attended only two classes, initial classes. I'll send you syllabus to you both of you, for you and
Yeah, I don't know what
Bosin,
happened to it.
Kamran. Okay, I'll send to you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
that you can know that which is thing next class. What is the I'll take next class. You can better to what are the things I covered. Okay, I'll send you.
Yes,
No
please.
problem. Okay, for AWS and Azure and DevOps everything. Okay.
Yes.
So now
I'm
you
sure
can
we'll
check
have to
here. It
take
is
it
in the
here.
which, okay, it is in which state? Provisioning state.
Provisioning.
So everywhere this all this edutech company like this training company, once they had collected the amount, they won't ask anything from you from your side. In everywhere it is going. Even also I work with other companies. The same thing you do, student. Do you understand that? Once they had
Yeah.
collected money, okay, okay. After
Mm-hmm.
that they don't call you.
Ah, okay.
Unless something if you have any serious issue like the classes are not going properly or anything like that, they won't call you. They won't disturb you.
Yeah, no, Sapna messaged me, I think a few days ago asking how the classes are going. So I said classes are going well.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just refresh here. Okay, 1 minute. You can add you can add as a project, but anyhow, if time permit that, I'll go for the another one real time production load balancer. I'll explain you maybe in the after completion of the AWS. I'll just explain you one production type load balancer. Okay, where you can use microservices. By using microservices, I'll explain how to create a load balancer. This is a simple load balancer, but I'll just explain you if the time permits. Then uh, I'll create a load balancer with production type, like where I can use like microservices type. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now it is load balancer is active. You can check here the load balancer is active. Then
Mm-hmm.
how will you check the load balancer? We can select here how you check the output. Here one DNS name is created. All
Okay.
these EC2 services connected to a single point, that is the AWS ELB DNS. Okay, I just
Okay.
copy this DNS. Just copy this DNS and portal hang. Hello,
Yeah. Hello?
think it is hang, not responding. Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay.
My portal is not responding.
Mm.
Maybe internet issue, I don't know. Just copy this DNS, paste in the browser. Okay.
Okay.
I'll send you this one also. Okay.
Okay.
Enter. What is the first thing output you got? It will
DevOps
redirect to
3.
which one? Server 3. Just refresh. What is the output right now?
DevOps server 1.
Again, I'll just refresh. What happens here?
Server 2.
So now understand how it is
Yeah.
working.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, how it is working. Yesterday, Kamran asked me. Okay, how it is working.
Mm.
Internally, there is an algorithm is there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Internally, there is an
Yeah.
algorithm is there. Okay.
Okay.
So this algorithm will find out the route, how the how it is reaching. Okay, I'll just explain this algorithm. There are three types of algorithm. Okay, I just go to the target group here. Okay, I go to the target group. There are three types of algorithm, brother. Now you can this one this okay for you. Now the owl getting this output. This it is redirecting to one time, another one. This
Mm-hmm.
redirecting to multiple times. Okay. I just go to the AWS ELB. There are three types of algorithm. How many algorithms are there? Three types
3.
of algorithm.
Mm.
ELB uses three types of algorithm. One is the round robin algorithm. Second is weighted algorithm. Next thing is the weight priority, highest priority. Okay. Here three
Mm-hmm.
types of algorithm is there. By default, when you don't select anything, it will select a round robin algorithm.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? Round robin algorithm. Okay. How many types of algorithm? See here. How many types of algorithm? Weighted random algorithm. Understand? One is the least outstanding request algorithm, and third one the weighted algorithm. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't select anything, it will defaultly select AWS will select the round robin algorithm. Understand?
Yeah.
How the requests are distributed evenly across the health target. Like suppose you have a three servers are there, and you have a three servers are there, and another thing is there. You have a three servers are there. When three users access, okay. Suppose user one will go to the server one, user two will go to the server three, user three request will go to the server three. When user 4 comes down, again the user 4 request will go to the server 1 again. Again user 5 request will go to server 2. User 6 request will go to the server 3. Like that, suppose you have a 12 users are there, the 3 servers are there, it will distribute like 4 servers for one server, 4 users for another server, 4 users for another user.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, understand? It
Yeah.
evenly distribute the traffic. Which one?
Uh,
Which one?
round
Round
robin,
robin.
right?
Okay, this is the most effective when requests are similar of the complexity. Understood?
Yes.
This equally distributed. Like we have a 12 users are hitting the website. Then what happen here? You have a three servers are there. It will evenly distributed. Like four requests will go to the one server. Remaining four requests will go to the second server, and remaining request will go to the other third server. Understand? Which one? Round robin. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
got it?
Yes.
Round robin. Another thing is the least outstanding request are mean that the target which is having a lowest request, like the first server having it will handling a four request, and second server handling the two request,
and third server got only one request, mean that this third server having a least number of requests. Then this load balancer will detect that the third server having a lowest number of requests, and that request will send to the third one. Understood?
Okay.
So which one? Least outstanding request means based on the request, means that how much. Suppose the first server got 4 requests, and second server got 2 requests, and third server got only 1 request. This algorithm will detect that the third server having least request, and it will forward the traffic to the server 3.
Which one?
Server
Which
3.
one?
This is going to be
Least
least
outstanding.
outstanding. Yes.
Uh, and weighted random is nothing but requests are routed randomly, but weights can be adjusted automatically. Like suppose here, according to weight, we need to give the weight, like how much weight. Suppose in example, take that if one server is 8 GB RAM, another server is a 4 GB RAM, so another server is 2 GB RAM. So 8 GB RAM server is having more weight because of it can handle more requests. Then according to the weight, we'll distribute the traffic. Do you understand?
Yeah.
The 8 GB RAM server will get more request,
Mm-hmm.
and will handle the more request, whereas 2 GB having handle the less number of requests. Okay.
Okay.
Here, this application load balancer, which how many types of algorithm? Round robin, least outstanding request, and weighted
Waited.
rounding algorithm. Okay. Whereas this network load balancer is not this one, just simple. They use the hashing algorithm. It's nothing but depending upon the source address and IP address. They don't use like complex algorithm. Whereas application load balancer use the complex algorithm. Three types of algorithm is round robin, least outstanding, and weighted random. Okay.
Mm.
Understand?
Yeah.
This node network load balancer use the flow hash algorithm. The flow hash algorithm is created just a hash based on the source IP address, based on the destination IP address, and port only. Okay.
Okay.
So now which load balancer we created right now?
Round robin, right?
Yes, of course, exactly. If it is the application load balancer, default to select which one is the round robin. Okay. Now you can check here in the target group how many targets are there,
3.
how many healthy are there.
3.
If I shut down one EC2 instance, suppose there are three servers are there.
Mm-hmm.
What happens if I just go to the server and I intentionally server one I've just shut down? What happen? It won't send the request. It will show as a three target, healthy
2
is two,
healthy.
unhealthy is one.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now here these attributes are there. If you see here attributes, what is the algorithm we selected? Default is selected.
Round robin.
Road. What does mean stickiness? I had explained you. Do you remember that stickiness means I want to send a request to a particular server.
Okay.
Like I want to like here you can add here also. In the target group, go to the attributes. You have an option either edit. Okay, edit. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
here you can change the algorithm also. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
understand?
Ah, okay.
Here I can check here. Here you can check the algorithm. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So how many types of algorithm is there? Three types of
3
algorithm.
type robin.
One is the round robin, second is the least outstanding, and what is that? Third one is the weighted random. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Another thing is there. We have another option is the turn on the stickiness. So what does mean stickiness? When you click on this stickiness here, okay, stickiness means I want to specific server. I want to go to specific first. How many days we need to stick them? Okay, it will when you turn on the stickiness, the it will like have a server. When user one request go there, it will go to particular server only. It won't go to the randomly. Previously when you hit there, it will like randomly it will go to server one, the second time will go to server two. We don't know
Mm-hmm.
that how it is send the traffic, but I want to stick to particular server. When you select the turn on stickiness, my request will go to the particular server only. It won't go to the other server. That is known the turn on stickiness. Okay, understand?
Yeah. So basically,
Like
stickiness
that you
will
can.
it will try to go for that one particular server. It will favor that server.
Yes, yes, exactly, exactly. Okay.
Okay.
Here, this is the target group. Now, I just intentionally go to the dashboard.
Mhm.
Go to the instance. Selected a server one. Here, I just stop the instance. Okay.
Mhm.
What happens now?
So one is going to be unhealthy, right? Because you stopped
Yes,
the.
exactly, exactly. And the request won't go there. Okay.
Mhm.
Generally, in production, like real time, instead of
Mhm.
cloud load balancer, F5 load balancer there. Do you know F5 load balancer?
FI load
F5.
balancer.
F5.
No.
Okay. That is a physical one. Okay. I just go to the this one target group.
Uh-huh.
Okay. This is the target group. Okay. Go to the target group here.
Yeah.
Now I just go to the target group. It's not updated yet. What happened here?
Two are healthy and one is unused.
Okay. Then I will check the output again. I'll check the output here. Okay.
Mhm.
What is the output now?
Server three, server three, and then
This time the traffic won't send to the server one.
mhm.
Now it is the output here.
Server two,
What is the output right now?
server three.
Whether it is sending to the server one,
No,
why it is? Because not running, having
not
issues there.
running.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what does load balancer do? There are multiple things done by the load balancer. So it is nothing but it will redistribute the traffic between the multiple servers, the first thing. And
Mhm.
second thing is that inside the target group, it will check the health check of the target server also. If any
Okay.
issue is there, the server, it won't send the request to the particular server.
Yeah.
Okay. It will redirect to other one. It will redirect to.
Another one.
So another thing is there. This all servers. Suppose we are running a same application in the multiple hundreds of thousands of server. It's like hundred thousands of server, thousands and hundred thousands of server. Then
Yes.
all how they're attached to single point. This load balancer will attach to the single point.
The
You
DNS, right?
understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. How will you integrate? I have like 100,000 servers are there. 200,000 servers are there. 200,000 servers there. Then
Hmm.
how will you integrate to a single unit? The load balancer, all they're integrated as single unit. Do you understand?
Yeah. So automatically done by load balancer?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So
So it
that's
treats
it. Okay.
100,000 servers as one server.
Yes, exactly. It will as a single unit, as a single unit.
Okay.
Okay. So instead of going, whenever user hits the website or web application, the web application user website will go to the first will come to the load balancer, and load
Yes.
balancer will decide that which servers need to be route the traffic.
Uh,
Understood?
yeah.
Understand? So
Yes.
when I type www.facebook.com from my web server, or I open a Facebook from my application from mobile phone, it will go to the load balancer of the Facebook, and the Facebook load balancer will decide which server need to be route the traffic. Okay,
Right. Yeah.
that's it. Okay.
Understood. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Tomorrow we'll go for the auto scaling. Okay. Tomorrow
Okay.
for the auto scaling. So
Got it.
what does my auto scaling mean that? So auto scaling is mean that suppose there is a web application is running,
Hmm.
then suddenly the traffic is increased. Okay, suddenly
Right.
traffic increase. Then what happens here when the traffic is increased, we need to add the more number of resources to cope up the demand of the like suppose the huge demand is there. What happens when you have a huge demand? Then we need to add more resources
Right.
like EC2. Then in on-premises data center to add this according to the demand, sometime it may be demand will be less, sometimes demand is very huge. It takes a lot of time to add the servers in the on-premises data center. Okay.
Yeah.
So when you select auto scaling in AWS, then the automatically when the load is increased means number of requests are coming from the user, the AWS will automatically add the resources, like automatically add the EC2 instances.
Hmm. So
When
I have
no
a question.
demand is there, it will remove.
It
Understand?
adds more servers. It doesn't increase the capacity of the original server then.
Yes, yes. It adds same like suppose I had same servers. Okay,
Hmm.
okay. Understand?
Yeah. Understood.
Yesterday I had explained vertical scaling and horizontal scaling. Okay, what is my
Yes.
horizontal scaling? When the demand is there, it will add more instances.
Hmm.
Okay. What is vertical scaling? What is vertical scaling is there? Is nothing but I have a server is there. I want to increase to the 1 GB RAM to 2 GB RAM. 2 GB RAM to same server will upgrade. That is one of the vertical scaling. Okay.
Yes.
Vertical scaling is generally used for the databases. For the
A
database.
database.
Suppose
Yes.
you have a SQL is there, Oracle SQL,
Hmm.
MongoDB, MariaDB is there. Then you go for the which one? For the vertical scaling.
Vertical.
But horizontal
Vertical
scaling
scaling.
you generally work on the web application. Okay. When I want
Hmm.
to increase web application. Which one? Web application.
The
So when
application.
you
So
run web
horizontal.
app, horizontal scaling. Tomorrow I will discuss the horizontal scaling. Okay.
Okay.
I'll send you video to you. I'll just send this script also. Just take the script and try to do the practice. Okay.
Okay. Can you also send
That's it.
the syllabus?
Okay, no problem. I send you. Huh?
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, tomorrow I'll see you. Huh?
Thank you. Bye.